Ever looked at your paycheck and wondered, how can I make this stretch till the next one? You're not alone. Navigating the maze of paycheck management is a dilemma faced by many. It's a puzzle that can leave even the most math-savvy among us scratching our heads. From bills and groceries to unexpected expenses, it can be a challenge to make ends meet. But here's the good news. Understanding and managing your paycheck doesn't have to be a Herculean task. Well, worry no more. We have a step-by-step guide on how to manage that paycheck effectively. First things first, understand your paycheck. It's not just a piece of paper or a digital notification that tells you how much money you've made. It's a breakdown of your earnings and deductions, a financial snapshot that can help you manage your money more efficiently. Let's break down the main components of a typical paycheck. The gross income is the total amount you've earned before any deductions. It's the big number that first catches your eye, but it's not the amount you'll take home. Subtracting from the gross income are various deductions. These may include federal and state taxes, Social Security, and Medicare contributions. Depending on where you live and work, you might also see deductions for local taxes or other benefits like health insurance and retirement plans. Then, we have the net income, often referred to as take-home pay. This is the amount left after all deductions. It's what lands in your bank account, and it's the figure you should consider when budgeting. Understanding these components is crucial. It's not just about knowing where your money is going, but also about being aware of potential errors. Mistakes do happen, and they can impact your financial health. Remember, knowledge is power. Once you understand your paycheck, you're one step closer to managing it better. Now that you understand your paycheck, let's dive into the world of budgeting. Budgeting, in its simplest form, is all about balance. It's about ensuring your income can comfortably cover your expenses. And it doesn't have to be a complicated process. In fact, budgeting can be boiled down to 3 basic steps: tracking your income and expenses, creating a budget, and sticking to it. So how does one go about tracking income and expenses? It's all about awareness. You need to know how much money is coming in and where it's going. This means keeping tabs on everything from your monthly rent or mortgage payments to that daily cup of coffee. It may seem tedious, but it's vital to understanding your financial picture. Next, we move on to creating a budget. A budget is essentially a plan for your money. It allows you to assign every dollar a job, ensuring you're not overspending in any one area. To create a budget, start by listing all your sources of income. Next, list out all your expenses. This will include both fixed expenses like rent or car payments, and variable expenses like groceries or entertainment. The goal is to ensure your income covers all your expenses with a little left over for savings or unexpected costs. Now the final step, and perhaps the hardest, is sticking to your budget. This is where discipline comes into play. It's easy to create a budget on paper, but following it in real life can be a challenge. However, it's a challenge worth taking on. Sticking to a budget can provide you with financial security and freedom. It can help you avoid debt, save for the future, and even achieve your financial goals faster. Budgeting is not about depriving yourself or living a life of austerity. It's about making informed decisions with your money. It's about understanding where your money is going and making sure it's serving you, not the other way around. In conclusion, budgeting is a powerful tool. It can provide clarity, control, and a sense of financial peace. It's a practice that can empower you to make smart financial decisions and plan for the future. Remember, a well-planned budget is your roadmap to financial success. After budgeting, the next step is saving. Now that might sound like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised at how many people overlook this essential part of managing their paycheck. Saving isn't just about stashing away your money in a piggy bank or under your mattress. It's about planning for the future, preparing for unexpected events, and securing a comfortable life for yourself. Let's start with the basics. Saving even small amounts from each paycheck can make a huge difference over time. It's like planting a seed. It might not look like much at first, but with time and care, that seed will grow into a sturdy tree. The same principle applies to your savings. Even if you can only afford to put away $10 from each paycheck, that amount will grow over time, and before you know it, you've built a substantial nest egg. Now, when it comes to saving, there are various methods you can use to make the process easier. One popular method is automatic transfers. Most banks offer this service, where a set amount from your paycheck is automatically transferred to a savings account or a retirement fund. It's a set-it-and-forget-it kind of deal, and it's a great way to ensure you're consistently saving money without even thinking about it. Another method is to take advantage of retirement funds. If your employer offers a retirement plan, such as a 401(k), Consider contributing a portion of your paycheck to it. Not only will this help you save for your future, but it can also provide tax benefits. And let's not forget about emergency funds. Life is unpredictable, and having a safety net can give you peace of mind in case of unexpected expenses. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account. At the end of the day, saving is about making smart decisions today for a better tomorrow. It's about giving yourself the freedom to make choices, to take risks, and to live life on your own terms. So start small, be consistent, and watch your savings grow. Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned. Scene script: have you ever thought of making your money work for you? Let's dive in and talk about investments. We've all heard the term, but what does it really mean? Investing is essentially putting your money into something with the expectation that it will grow over time. It's a key strategy to build long-term wealth. Now, there are several types of investments that you can explore. Let's start with stocks. When you buy a stock, you're purchasing a small piece of a company. As that company grows and succeeds, your stock can increase in value. It's like owning a tiny slice of a big pie that's getting bigger. Then, there are bonds. These are essentially loans you give to a company or government. In return, they promise to pay you back with interest after a certain period of time. This can be a safer option than stocks, but the returns might be lower. And let's not forget about mutual funds. This is where you pool your money with other investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. It offers a way to spread out your risks and potentially reap the benefits of different sectors. Investing is crucial for long-term financial growth. It's an opportunity to increase your wealth over time, and it can help you reach your financial goals faster. Think of it like planting a seed. It might take time to grow, but with patience and care, it can turn into a thriving tree. But remember, investing always comes with risks. It's important to do your research and understand what you're getting into. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments to spread the risks. And finally, let's bust a common myth. Investing is not just for the rich. Today, with a variety of online platforms and resources, anyone can start investing, even with a small amount of money. Investing is not just for the wealthy. With the right information, anyone can start investing. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We kicked off with the paycheck puzzle, exploring the various elements that make up your paycheck. Understanding your paycheck is the first crucial step towards effective financial management. It equips you with the knowledge of your earnings, deductions, and net income, helping you comprehend exactly what you're working with. Next, we dove into the art of budgeting. Budgeting is akin to designing a financial roadmap, guiding you on how to allocate your hard-earned money. We stressed the importance of categorizing your expenses into necessities, wants, and savings or investments. Remember, a well-crafted budget not only helps you live within your means, but it also prevents unnecessary financial stress and paves the way towards your financial goals. We then highlighted the significance of saving. Saving is not just about stashing away money, it's about preparing for the unexpected, creating a safety net for the future. We emphasize the importance of consistent saving, no matter how small the amount, and the power of compound interest. The more you save, the more you accumulate over time, and the more secure your financial future becomes. Finally, we explored the role of investments. Investing is about growing your money, about making your money work for you. We discussed various investment options like stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds, among others. While investing carries risks, it also holds the potential for greater returns, especially in the long term. Remember, the key to successful investing lies in research, understanding your risk tolerance, and diversification. Each of these steps, understanding your paycheck, budgeting, saving, and investing, plays a pivotal role in managing your paycheck effectively. They provide a structured approach towards your financial well-being, helping you make the most of your paycheck and steer you towards your financial goals. Remember, managing your paycheck well is the first step towards financial freedom. Start today and reap the benefits tomorrow.